What's up? Welcome to another Creator Office Hours by TubeBuddy, where I answer your questions about how to become a creator as someone who's worked at YouTube and Instagram for 8 years. So let's dive into the first question. I'll keep these as quick as possible so you learn as much as possible, because today's theme is all about time-saving hacks and tips for those of you doing YouTube as your side hustle. All right, first question. What's the most mind-blowing editing tool you know of? Okay, Descript is like Google Docs for editing videos. It takes the audio from any video and changes it into text. And by editing that text, you can actually edit the video in real time, remove sentences, or even automatically cut all filler words like and with the click of a button. And what do you do if you want to add words that you forgot to record? No problem. Just use their overdub feature to add words that you missed. It's amazing. Next question. What's the fastest way to re-edit my longer horizontal videos into TikToks, Shorts, and Reels? Great question. Try this free tool called Munch that automatically finds the best parts of your long videos, crops them, and cuts them from horizontal to vertical. Just go to the website here, upload your video, and it finds the moments with the highest retention, and within seconds, you'll have a vertical video ready to post. Next question. When's the right time to quit my job to become a full-time creator? Peter McKinnon actually answered this question in our interview, and he spoke about his journey to 5.5 million subscribers.
I can't just be a pro photographer tomorrow because I decided. If I get a job at a camera shop, it gets me that much closer. I can learn cameras more. And then maybe I get an internship and I can intern with people who do it professionally and I can learn more. And it was those little steps along the way that eventually led to the big one, which was just, it's time now, dude. You've been putting it off long enough. You've done all of the steps. You could just be doing them forever, or you make the big jump instead of the step. And I just decided to do it. I looked at my wife and I said, let's play worst case scenario. She's like, okay, we lose the house, we lose our vehicles, we live with our parents full time in the basement with kids. And I was like, I'm down for that. Like, that doesn't even sound that bad. And she's like, let's do it then. Guess you're a YouTuber. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna change my banner.
Another top YouTuber, Eric, actually did the same thing, but by starting his own wedding video company to learn how to make videos before starting a channel that now has nearly 10 million subscribers.
Every weekend we would have like 12 weddings going on somewhere around the US every single weekend for an entire year. And so I would hire on a couple people basically just to manage logistics. Yeah, and that became like what I was doing at 22 was like trying to figure out a way to make this video thing scalable. And now obviously we're doing YouTube, which is unlimited scale, which is really cool.
In short, learn and earn by doing another job before doing it on your own. Next question. How do I look more professional as a creator, especially to brands? All right, hear me out. Your Gmail signature. Jessica Stansberry actually spoke about this hack to create an engaging and clickable signature. And all you have to do is this. Create a 2x1 table in Google Docs, add your photo to the left box, then in the right, add your name, hyperlink all your socials, and change the colors if you want. Then go to your Gmail settings and paste it in the bottom here, and you're set. And with how many people you're probably emailing in a day, it'll be much easier to get clicks on your socials and your videos, especially if you happen to be cold emailing a brand and trying to put your best foot forward when getting a sponsorship. Next question. Any hacks to respond to every comment on my YouTube videos? Yeah, TubeBuddy has a tool that actually lets you create canned responses, since you're probably repeating yourself a lot when replying. So you can create replies thanking people who subscribed, replying to common question, or even leave blanks in these canned responses to add the names of people to still keep it personal and write faster than starting from scratch. It's a huge time saver that makes it easier to engage with your community. That's all for this episode of Office Hours. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.